Hi guys! Isang maulang afternoon, and since nasa area kami ng Banawe, what else to do but to go to Mamunluk, which is our go-to place for Mami and Siopaw. So matanda na itong restaurant na to. I think nasa Quiapo yung pinaka main branch. So ang specialty nila is Mami and Siopaw. Okay, so pagpasok, ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan yung kanilang updated menu as of August 2023. So ang favorite ko yan is yung combination na Siopaw. Okay, so itong area na to is for their takeout. And ito yung kabuoang restaurant ng Mamunluk, Banawe. Okay, while waiting for my takeout, naupo muna ako and ito yung kanilang menu na more detailed pag nag-dine-in ka. Yan. So within the area, makikita mo na yung kanilang kitchen kung saan nila prepare yung mga pagkain like Mami. Yan, lapitan lang natin to check out yung kanilang kitchen, and ito yung kanilang Mami area. So wala pang tao since it's like 2 PM in the afternoon. Ayan, yan yung mga siopaw. So malaki tong area na to. I haven't been to the Quiapo branch, but I think this is bigger. Yan, yung mga articles about the restaurant. So, makita nyo mga parang antique na yung mga newspaper cutouts dito. Ganyan siya katagal na. Ayan. So, I don't think wala namang masyadong nabago when it comes to the taste. Dahil masarap pa rin naman yung kanilang siopaw. Ayan. I think pwede kang mag-event dito. Kaya lang limited lang to siopaw and like Mami yung kanilang nasa mga menu. Okay. Ayan si Mr. Mamunluk. Yan, balikan ko lang yung kanilang kitchen area kung saan niluluto ang ating Mami. So favorite ko yung chicken Mami dito. And then samahan ng combo siopaw. Sold. Okay, so yan ang ating Mamunluk, Banawe store tour. Thank you for watching and see you on the next videos.